Welcome back. So, guys, today's session we're going to learn how to create connection factories and queue and topic. Okay, so in one session we will discuss connection factories, queue, and topic. Okay, so yesterday's session, as we discussed, like the way you can start and stop the universal messaging. So, once you start with universal messaging, then go to this option realms. Here you can see this is the server details. Okay, so click on that particular option, click on JNDI. Okay, so once you click on JNDI, here you can see this is a 9000 port and this is your host details. Okay, after that connection practice, queue details and topic details. Okay, so if you're looking for to create a connection practice, then click on connection factory, new connection factory. Here you can give the name as a con. Okay, after that, once you click on OK, then this is a click on this plus icon. Here you can see this con connection factory got created. Okay. After that, if you want to create a queue, then click on queue, right click, new queue. Here you can give the name as a queue. Okay. Then click on OK. Expand this option. Here you can see this umq got created. Now if you're looking for how to create a topic, so right click topics, click on like enter the topic name here. So topic, click on OK. Expand this option. So un connection, umq and topic got created. Okay, so on integration server, if you want to do the settings for JNDI JMS trigger, let me show you. These are the options here. Click on messaging. Here the JMS setting, JMS trigger, JNDI settings. Okay, so here we need to mention all those details so that it will connect integration server and universal messaging connectivity between them. Okay, so guys, that's all about today's demonstration. Next demonstration we will discuss how to create a JMS settings, JMS trigger. Okay, so keep watching. If you like this video, then please subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you so much. Have a great day.